Hello friends, I Shivardhan welcome you to my new video. As you must have read this subject, it is related to true love or love relationship. Although there are so many indications on the hand in regard to this subject, but I have selected a very few and very interesting and very easy to understand indications which I'm sure that you will be able to apply on your hand as well as anybody's hand whom you wish to check or get a clarity in life. So let's get started with our video. The foremost indication of any love or relationship is Venus Mount. It is situated just under the thumb, and we just have to check the two or three more two indications basically. First of all, it should be developed. It shouldn't be underdeveloped. Okay, a developed Venus Mount definitely gives success in love relationship or love matters. Okay, and there shouldn't be any negative indications on it. Now when we are saying negative indications, I have already made so many videos in regard to these negative indications. There are three important negative indications which could be present on the Venus Mount and which is a red alert. Number one, a mole. A mole shouldn't be there. A mole or a black spot shouldn't be there on your Venus Mount. Number two is island. I have recently made a video on island, especially on the mounts. So island definitely gives obstacles and hurdles in love relationship matters, and you wouldn't be able to get your true love if you are having such an indication on your hand, that is island. Okay, island on Venus Mount. Number one, as I have said, mole or a black spot. Number three indication is grill. The crisscross lines that are present on the Venus Mount, that also deteriorates the quality of the Venus Mount. So the three indications, mole, island, and grill, shouldn't be there on the Venus Mount, and it should be developed. This is the first indication that when a hand comes to you or you are looking at your own hand, you have to just check these things on the Venus Mount, which is very easy to see. Okay, now we come to the technical part, that is the next indication which is related to this area of hand. Basically, I have marked it. It is just ending of the mercury finger, and this is the heart line. So this in between area we have to study. Okay, so it is basically, you will find, generally you will find a line over here which is also called a marriage line. Okay, so marriage or serious love relationship line. So you just have to check that how close it is to the heart line. Like I have marked a line over here, so it is basically in the, say, halfway. But if it is closer to the heart line like this, okay, so it is a very good indication. Some people have two or three lines, so this doesn't mean that you are having, multiple affairs or something. We will come to that subject later, but you just have to check whether any of the line is closer to the heart line. If it is closer to the heart line, this gives emotional strength to carry on a relationship and further to reach a level where you can settle with the person whom you love or have a true love with him or her in life in form of marriage or relationship as well. So it is a very good indication of getting success in any sort of love affair. The line, this marriage line, if it comes closer to your heart line, this is the heart line. Okay, the more it is closer to your heart line, better it is. I hope I am clear with it. Okay, if you are having certain doubt, you can definitely ask on the comment or mail me, right? It is the marriage line, it comes closer to your heart line, it is a very good indication. More it is far from your heart line, you will get married, but chances of having a true love affair or a long love relationship or a serious sort of relationship are very less. Okay, so this is the indication. Now I come to the another indication which is also related to this line only. Okay, if I show you my hand like this, I have drawn a marriage line. It is visible, but it is not that visible. But what if in certain hands you will find this marriage line prolonging to this area. This is the Mercury mount. So if it is prolonging to this area, it is said to be a very good indication in regard to any sort of love relationship or finding the true love in your life. Okay, so if you are having this indication on your hand, the success rate is very high for you. Okay, so we have discussed so far the marriage line. The distance of marriage line from the heart line should be less. The length of the marriage line, if it is going towards the marriage Mercury mount, it is one of the best scenario, and you will definitely get your true love in life, and hopefully you will settle with him or her also. So these are the indications we have so far discussed. Venus mount, there shouldn't be any negative indication. Grill, mole, island shouldn't be there. Distance between the marriage line and the heart line should be less. The marriage line length should be as much as possible, and it should be straight. It shouldn't go up or down. Okay, because those can have negative impacts, but if it is a straight and a longer marriage line, it is good. Okay, so now we come to the heart line. Generally people have this sort of heart line. Okay, so if a heart line is having a proper curve like this, this also gives you emotional strength, and this is also an indication for an serious sort of love relationship in hand. And this heart line should be free from any sort of islands or crosses, and it should be having a curve. So it is said to be a grade heart line, or I would say a best heart line. Okay, as far as emotions are concerned, as far as love and relationship is concerned. So this is the third or fourth basically indication. Two or indication of the marriage line. One is for the Venus mount, and then this is the fourth indication of the heart line. Okay, now we come to this indication that if you are having a love affair, do you have that capacity? Do you have that mental strength in you to be able to get that love relationship to a certain stage, or a marriage or a settlement sort of thing? So we will check from this aspect of palm that this is the lifeline and this is the brain line. In my hand, they are joined with each other, but you will find in certain hands they are independent like this. Okay, the lifeline goes like this and the brain line or the headline goes like this, and there is a distance between them. They are independent to each other, they are not joining. So these people having this indication are independent in nature, and they take quick decisions, and they do not depend on anybody for making their decisions of life. So the chances of getting into a love relationship, prolonging it, and reaching to the marriage level are more high in the people who are having this independent brain line and lifeline scenario. Okay, they are not dependent, they are quick decision making people, and they will, whatever they have in their mind, they will definitely fulfill that. Okay, so this is basically related to whether your love relationship will reach to that level or not. Okay, so now another indication which is related to this scenario also, that if your brain line or headline is reaching the moon mount, the moon mount gives emotional edge to the person, and if this brain line or headline is turning towards the moon mount, it gives the strength of emotions to that person. So it is a very good indication of having a true affair or having a love relationship in your hand. So far we have discussed so many things like Venus mount, shouldn't be having any negative indication. The marriage line distance from the heart line and the length of the marriage line should be around Mercury mount. The curve of the heart line, distance of headline and the lifeline, and the most important, their headline should be long enough to reach the moon mount. So if it is like that, the more you are having indications in your hand, more is the chances of finding true love in your life and having a prolonging relationship, a successful true love relationship in your life. I hope you have understood all these factors, and I shall be back with my new video very soon. Thank you.